This might seem a bit odd, but we had a solar system installed and livened up in the last week, so I like to check the electric meter to see if it's doing what it's supposed to do. So actually right today the electric meter is set at 162. That's the reading. Now what I wanted to do was actually get to a point where I could watch the electric meter. So to that end, I've got a blink camera, a piece of PVC wood, fake wood, a clamp, and I bought this camera gooseneck on Amazon, which I'll include a link for. So I'm going to put you down and figure out how I'm going to connect this up so I can actually see what's going on with the well, this is what I've come up with. I got a little clamp, a little piece of PVC, a gooseneck, and the camera looking at the meter. So we'll test that and I'll post how that's going to look. I will include a link in the video here about the gooseneck that I bought and the clamp that I'm using. Thank you.